Waterfall was amazing. I am out in the middle of nature and on my way back down to the hotel, actually to my car. And then going back to the room, maybe take a little bit of a siesta before the wedding. And then get ready to go to this wedding of my best friend and her fiance. Should be good times. Such a beautiful day, nice and cool. I think the high is 69 today. It was about a 30-minute hike, I think, about to get up there. So an hour altogether. But that's, I'm actually cruising pretty fast. So it could take somebody that's not used to a hike like this, probably about an hour and a half. Just take it slow. That's all I can suggest. Slow and take breaks. Catch your breath, drink some water, cool off for a minute, and keep on going. Ooh, that wind feels good. Oh, I love the smell of these fresh redwoods. Fresh. I should get my boyfriend a stick.